If you remember a very simple thing, in Caribbean, when the gas was spread with a few cups, we saw how hurricane was stopped. Now, in your cities and in your buildings and your towns, you are throwing a cup of life and you will see what will come of your city. Gradually, you will make that dome. And this dome on its own will have nothing to do with animosity and what has been wrong with the breath point, what gave you life of the planet. And if enough of you spread the ganses in the coming months around this planet, we will create that dome of peace on this planet. I told you, I'll get what I want. It does not matter how you play the game. We use the opportunities to create peace.